Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your EARFUN Air Pro 4. Firstly, I recommended to put this earbuds, let's say the right one, to the charging case and close the case and charge it. Maybe you have it discharged. Now, if you know that it's charged, also you can check charging contacts at your earbud and clean it. If you have isopropyl alcohol, you can apply isopropyl alcohol and then clean it with a brush or toothbrush if you haven't cleaned tools. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. We can check it in the settings. If you go to the Bluetooth, there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends because, let's say on Realme, we have the information under the earbuds in use when it connected and no information. So maybe you have another path to check it. And after that, we just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. It may be this one fixed your problem. So, if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside the case we have connection button and you need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So let's do this. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget this device and forget device. Then, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!